Ever pondered how crucial digital marketing is in today's world? The significance of digital marketing in the contemporary business landscape cannot be overstated. Traditional marketing methods have taken a back seat as businesses shift to digital platforms, a move driven by the ability to reach a wider audience, provide measurable results, and adapt to consumer behavior in real time. With the digital era booming, it's essential to keep up with the latest digital marketing trends. Let's dive into a few. First up, social commerce, a rising star in the digital marketing universe. It's about selling products directly on social media, shortening the sales funnel for a smooth shopping spree. It's where businesses meet consumers, right where they spend lots of time. Social commerce, a perfect blend of social media and e-commerce, is here to revolutionize the way we shop. Next on the list is voice search optimization, a trend that's literally giving a voice to search queries. With Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, voice search has become a key player in digital marketing. By optimizing content for voice search, businesses can boost their visibility, reach, and engagement. Voice search optimization is making it easier for businesses to be heard, quite literally. Last but not least, personalization, the trend that's making marketing messages more relatable and effective. Imagine a marketing message tailored just for you, reflecting your preferences, behavior, and demographics. That's personalization in digital marketing. It's like a friendly conversation, making you feel heard and valued. This approach not only boosts engagement, but also fosters brand loyalty and drives higher conversion rates. Remember, the more personalized your message, the more your customers feel connected. Personalization is the key to winning hearts in the digital marketing world. In a nutshell, digital marketing is no longer an option but a necessity. We've delved into the power of social commerce, the increasing relevance of voice search optimization, and the undeniable impact of personalization. These are not mere trends but pivotal strategies that can catapult your business into the digital era. By keeping abreast of these trends and integrating them into your marketing efforts, you position your business for growth and success. Embrace these digital marketing trends and you'll be well on your way to digital success. Until next time, stay digitally savvy.